Just going to do a quick walkthrough of the Bark Point boat landing on Bark Point, Wisconsin, between Cornucopia and Herbster. Nice boat launch here. Nice cool breeze coming off the lake. It's about, and this feels wonderful. Looks like they got a kayak launch here too. Nice sandy beaches, nice cool breeze coming off the lake from the north. Very nice. Beautiful bay here. Sunlight shimmering off the waves, sandy beaches, or sandy lake bottom, sandy beaches. Beautiful pier here for launching your kayak or for fishing. Definitely recommend.